Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so to start off today, I'm going to get the poll going, but first, just want to update y'all with some positions I took a moment ago. All right, I need to plot it for the SPY. All right, so the SPY pulled back to this lower trend line, and I entered a 463 call expiring tomorrow on the SPY. And then also entered a 525 call expiring on the 29th on Microsoft. Okay, so Cole, top of the morning. Mom, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. G Nice, top of the morning. Anil, good morning. Natasha, good morning. Let's get this poll in. Oh, what just happened? All right, cool. All right, see, we came in with the likes. I'm wearing my shirt backwards. Let me turn it around. Knew it felt weird. Brandon, good morning. Philip, good morning. Marvin, top of the morning. Devin, Tesla cooked my account today. I saw Tesla was up today. I was just thinking, I was like, oh, he probably got his money. But I guess you looked in too late. I took an L on Robinhood this morning too, even though it went and hit my target. I got faked out. A little annoying, but also reassuring at the same time because it went to my target. Just gotta be on the lookout for the tricks. But let's see. Marvin, well, okay, all right. Robert, top of the morning. The Robin Hood put was nice if you waited like a couple extra minutes from when I did. I think I sold out around like 115, like because it had come up here. I'm like, oh, it looks like it's trying to reload, but nah, they got me on that Robin Hood. Played out nice. So I'm glad that worked out for you, family. Anella, good morning, and good morning. Ricky, good morning. Hey, family. Hey, be sure to smash the like button. Let's get us there earlier. Oh, I'm glad to hear you took that profit, Robert. 108. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Like to hear it. Anyone know what happened to you today? Uh, Not exactly, but I know there is like a lot of sector rotation going on. So I think a lot of the Dow is up, but other stocks are down. All right, appreciate some of y'all coming through. Like, and I see we still got about 20 lurkers. Pretty early on to have so many lurkers. It's kind of scary. All right, let's see. All right, so we're all situated now. All right, Devin. Since you're new to this, you took your Tesla trade. What happened with the trade? Cause it ran up and it went where you were looking for it to go. Did you like sell right at open? Cause I mean I did kind of the same thing. Just wanna help you learn faster, man. Ooh, AMD is Sarah, top of the morning. Here, I'm gonna pull that off. Levi, top of the morning. All right, so I got AMD at like 169. know my portfolio is going to be a little back today. All right, so let me kind of tell y'all how I'm feeling right now. What I'm thinking is going to occur. Good morning. I'm joining a bit late. Are we in any positions yet? I'm not sure if anybody else is in anything, but I grabbed a call on the SPY, a 463 call that expires tomorrow. And then I also grabbed a 525 call on Microsoft that expires tomorrow as well. Good morning, everyone. Hit the like. We're under 50%. We are under 50%. Yo, we got a solid, like, what's that, 28 lurkers? I don't know, some people hopped off just to make them get it to 50. I got greedy, watched the profit grow, and should have taken my money when it was at the peak of that profit, and I didn't, so I got okay. Yeah, that's one thing that happens, Devin. One thing I will say, especially in this market right now, most of the time, if you see profit in the morning at open, I'm going to say I usually take it as fast as I can, just because oftentimes in the morning, if you pay attention, it's like the market it'll change course like very fast. Like in the first, like, I don't know, like honestly, first 1 or 2 minutes sometimes, it'll like just completely go the other way. So it's like usually if you're up, it's good to secure what you can right away. And then if you want to ride again, there'll usually be a better opportunity to get in something. But yeah, usually taking profits when you see it at open, that's where that see profit, take profit comes into play, is usually right there at open. I don't really, if it's like midday and it's like there's a trend, I'll ride it until it like slows down or dies. Brad guy, good morning. Market's looking very bearish today. Yeah, so what I'm thinking is, if we look at the SPY, we're at this trend line. So what I'm thinking occurs here is we either drop like a rock, which that's my number 2, or I think we could come a little lower than where we were, but I think we'll push up. Like I could see us pushing back up to 645, 644. It doesn't necessarily have to be today, but I think we'll have like a little bounce before we come down more. So that's why I have like 2 swings that I picked up. 642 call, 0 DT, SPY right there, right here. I think there's a chance that can do all right. I also think here we'll have to look at the volume on that, because I think there's a good chance they could try to hold that down too. But what I would look out for, what I would look out for is see if we make an equal low or a low, like maybe a little past this one over here. This where'd it come to? Looks like it came to about like 640.49. If we make an equal low or come just a little past that, I think we're going to come in reverse and like try to climb to the top of this trend. Kong, hey, what's up, man? Top of the morning. SPY going back to 550 or 650. Did you say 550? Hey, not today. Yo, it might come down next month. But 550, let's see. Is that on the Is that in the cards? I don't think we're coming back to 550. Even if it gets nasty again, I don't think so. Or actually, it could come close to that. Yeah, it could. I say more 560, but that's just being extra right there. Let's see. 23rd like. Hey, what's up? Hey, you're a trendsetter. I think solid 5 people came through and did it after you. Well, near you, I spent 36 cents a contract. 36 cents a contract on what? Hey, just a heads up. I got tomorrow's expiration on my spies. Just a heads up for everybody. All right, let's see. D Scurv, top of the morning. Pound to the. Hey, yeah, it's getting more and more realistic. More and more realistic every day. Here, let's check in on Palantir. Oh wait, not right here. Not right. Ooh, is that another trend line is below? Here, where'd it go? Okay, what's up, Palantir? Okay. All right, so it broke this trend line. All right, it's back in that other range. That's cool. Hey, where's the 200 EMA? Let's turn that on. Oh yeah, let me set an alert on that. Is this a 4-hour chart? Yeah, let's add a little alert on the 200 EMA. Okay, that's there. It'll probably be right in that area. All right, let's see. I got profit on SPY pulling back down below 642. Cash $14 there, where I could have made more since it dropped to 6. It actually dropped to 640.49. Who's counting? Hey, no worries. Yo, it's like see profit, take profit. Stan, good morning. You're definitely right about taking profits the moment the market opened. I did that on Monday. No, yeah, that's hey, yeah, grab them at open, or maybe a little after. Like it's like if you see profit and it's something that you're happy about, yeah, don't be greedy at open. The missile turn right back around on you. I was going to grab a 640 put at the top of the dip, but that fear kicked in. Got to work on that. at the top of the dip. That seems kind of contradictory a little bit. But let's see. Yeah, that would have been money right there if you did. But me personally, let's see. Yeah, it's like I'm still leaning on the calls. What I had what had me what I drew the calls from or targeted the calls from or used to target is we had this believe it's liquidity down here at 140 141, and it looks like we could be sweeping it on the 4 hour. We'll see in like 11 or 12 minutes, see where this closes. Okay, let's see. Bought an AMD put last week and cashed out. Hey, good stuff, D-Scurve. Good stuff. Yeah, AMD. I'm happy to DCA a little cheaper today. I ain't mad at this pullback. I'll take some more AMD. Uber calls paying bills. Yeah, I saw Uber was up today. Here, I'm not gonna watch Microsoft too closely. I don't expect it to just move today. That's why I got a couple weeks on it. And let's take a look at Uber. I saw it. Last I saw it was at like 95 or something. Ooh, UNH, hold up. Pulling back. Nothing crazy. Okay. Pfizer up a little bit. Maybe. Ooh, Honest down to 384. Oh, Bitcoin pulled back to like 113, 114. Oh yeah, Uber's at what is it? Like 96 now. Yeah, that thing skyrocketing. Let's get an Uber. SPY still trying to pull on down. Here, let's see. Got a 6:45 call expiring. Oh, okay. I got you. Here, let's see what the PCE is looking like. Okay, PCE, it's not too crazy right now, honestly. Do you think SPY will retest that low of day? Yeah, that's what I said. I said there's a good chance it will, and from there, we can either get like an equal low or it can come a little bit lower. And I think we kind of like make our way back up from that point. Or if we just lose it there, then we're coming down, and it's going to be a hard fall. Buddha Dev, good morning. How did you add that Palantir stock, that purple line? So that's the 200 EMA. So it's purple just because if I double click on it, I can change the settings. So right now it's the 200 EMA, but if I wanted it to line up with the 48, I could change that to 48. Now the purple line's right here too. But here, let me change that back to 200. And the reason it's purple is just that's the color I chose for it to be. right, so we are coming back down to make another test of the low. Pretty darn close to it. See what happens here. I want it on snap. If it can break and hold 740, but I might hop in it. Are you looking for calls? I don't. So right now, Snapchat looks like I don't know. It looks like it's dead. Yeah, looking on the 4 hour, there's Snapchat just looks like it's consolidating, or maybe consolidating. I don't know. It's like coming down, but it's still like consolidating. It's like the RSI has cooled off to where like it would be perfectly fine if it came down more. I don't really know what to say about Snapchat. Let's see. Let's see. Blood in the streets. It's time to eat. Buy the dips on these blue chips. Oh, that's a good little rhyme right there. Hey, if it rhymes, you gotta listen. It's true if it rhymes. Actually, don't take that to heart. Not everything that rhymes is true, but that has to be. Buy the dips on these blue chips, y'all. SPY is being exposed. Hey, once again, do want to note y'all, we're at this trend line right here. I think there's a good chance we get a little bounce. But we'll have to see what happens. Bloody day for SPY. Yeah, I see y'all voted 66% red. I'm of the belief that SPY can close in the green today. That's not even like that's like light work for the SPY. So I'm not even. We'll see what happens, but. This seems to always trap me. I buy a call because it's looking like a few good candles of support. Then it always. Gotta learn I think looking for the sweep of liquidity that'll be your friend. But honestly, if the trend is going to continue to the downside, I do see the range. So what one would look for on a shorter time frame if we were trying to trade SPY to the downside? Little sweep of this high right here would be grounds to go and potentially reach the low, if that's going to work out. All right, let's see. Booted up, top of the morning. Target call expiring October 17th. mean, yeah, you definitely have plenty of time. The trend looks like it's trying to turn around. The actual chart is kind of weird, but no, yeah, it's very possible. Like, is it going to happen? I don't know, but it very much so looks like it could. Like, I think it, yeah, I think it's very doable. Intel was profitable today. Yeah, they've had some good, they've had a good week or past week or so. They're at the top of their range, their weekly range. And honestly, smell? If they can hold above this level, then they might be, I would call that like a breakout. Wait, hold up. Okay. It's just jittery because we're waiting for this monster Fed decision. Yeah, we're not expecting like too much from the SPY right now. It's still in this low range. SPY looks like it might go down to 636.78. What time frame are you looking at to 636.78? Are you like looking at this area over here? If you are, I will say that it's like if you're looking at this candle right here, I will say like this next candle came past it. So if you get like once you kind of come past the liquidity, that liquidity has been taken out. So if you were saying this 634.72, that hasn't been taken out, but this 636.76, anything in this area, it's been taken out. EA looking good on battle. Oh, I heard some people talking about that today. Let's see. My brothers used to play that. Not too much movement, but maybe. Hey, I got your back, Linus. All right, let's see. All right, so yeah, looking at the SPY, as of right now, it's still like holding up at this trend line. All right, we're coming pretty close to this liquidity, but what's gonna happen? I don't know. They're playing with us. I'm not convinced either way. Oh, also, oh no, we already talked about it. I was about to bring up the whole Robinhood trade, but I already spoke about it. Palantir. Wow. Take that back up to a 4-hour. I'm gonna get in on Moomoo and take a look at some what is it? Take a look at some of the levels, or not levels, but some of the data. Tesla coming back up. Get in on that. I'm not when Tesla's in a tight range, I just leave it alone. Just leave it alone right here. It's a no touch for me at the moment. Oh, hold up, y'all. Gotta get something. The Microsoft call is not going to move yet. The Microsoft call shouldn't move at all, really. I'm down $2 on it. Microsoft is going to have to actually make movement for us to see movement on this. 1 second. Oh no, stocks have come down a little bit. I'll step away for a moment. What options level do I have on Moomoo? If I had to guess, I'd say level 3, but I don't do anything more than level 2. But honestly, I have no idea. I can try to see. Let's see. I don't even necessarily know how to check that. Let's see. Accounts. Option level. Oh, I currently have level 2. Oh, I'm not even sure I have I might not even have a margin account on here. I'm not even sure. Yeah, I have level 2 right now, but cover call, cover put, long call, straddle. Oh, I don't have enough money in my account for level 2 at the moment. So, yeah, I was like, I think, or I don't have enough for level 3 at the moment. There was a point in time I had level 3, I think. I don't have the balance in there that they require. Alright, so Spy made another test of that low. Let's see. Let's get in on a lower time frame. Once again, we'll have to see like what happens at this area now. Because now we've come and we've taken that low. Now the question is, do we continue to make lower lows? And do we make a lower high after this? Or do we just say, or do we make a higher high? EA moves on game sales, microtransaction, subscription, this thing can go. Hey, that's good to know. Yo, if you find your thing that works for you, keep riding it. All right, y'all. It's which one do you use? I use Moomoo and Robinhood. It's not a one or the other. It's like I use them both. Like it's just like if I use my day trades on one, I go to the other. But yeah, I use both Robinhood and Moomoo. All right, we're trying to come down a little bit. I'm not trusting it though. But might need to. I'm gonna look for a 15-minute confirmation candle. In the 15-minute confirmation candle, I'll cut my SPY position and consider flipping the other way. Yeah, we just got the ASMR popping right now. Y'all can thank my wife for that. Just coming on down. All right, SPY still trying to come down. ED Silver, I hope you make a bag. But I also hope that this doesn't confirm at the same time. So I'm a little torn here. Oh yeah, let's see what volume's looking like. Little higher on the 15 for this candle. One thing I need to work on is my exit strategy. Hey, just well, I would say just look at I mean, make it yours, but I say like kind of look at the next key level, the next kind of area changes direction, and if it's not really losing momentum or volume, you can probably keep riding it. Something to consider. Gene, I said, bro, can you please explain to me why sometimes if you're in an option and the stock goes your direction, how sometimes the spread gets wider and at times put your contract at a lower price? Well, the reason that happens, if the spread is getting wider, that is because the lowest price anyone is willing to sell for and the highest price anyone is willing to pay for it, they're getting further and further away from each other. All right, so that's the first part of that. So say it was only like, say the price was like 67 and 68, and now the spread has widened from like 70 to like 65 or something. All right, the spread got wider. All right, so know that now that the spread is wider, the price that you will see for the value of the contract is usually the price that's right in between the bid and the ask. So if the bid and the ask is like, say the bid's at 60 and the ask is at 70, the price you see for the contract is going to be set 65. Whereas if it's 68 and 60, if the bid is at 68 and the ask is at 69, the price you see for the contract is probably going to be like 68. So that's going to be why you see the price like that. But what did I say? Yeah, sometimes like if the highest price, if the bid price comes down low, that's going to drop the price of your contract. If there aren't people bidding on your contract, it'll come down low. So there are some contracts that you can look at that are actually pretty worthless. If there are no bids on the contract, the bid price is 0. So if somebody wants to like drive their ask price up to like $10 per share, it'll show the contract's worth. It'll say the average price of the contract is worth $500, just because of the fact that somebody raised their ask that high and there are no other ask on the contract. So that's part of the reason it's good to be in options contracts where there's a lot of volume and there are a lot of people looking at it, because the less people that trade it, the more likely you are to fall subject to price manipulation. It's easier to manipulate the price. UNH, what's going on with UNH? Did it fall below 300 yet? Oh, it's getting there. Good little movement on UNH today. Like to see it. Welcome, G Nice. What do you think about CRM? So it's not really a stock that I look at like that. If you want to, like, when you say what do you think, if you want to kind of go in more on it, it's like, I know they're like a solid company, but it's not one I follow like that. It's closer to being oversold than overbought, but like, this isn't something I invest in. So I think it kind of just comes down to how you feel about it. But it seems like a decent buying area if it's something you're interested in. All right, time for the next half of this. Oh, y'all, look at that. I know y'all were beating the table with this one. BMNR pulled back to 49.15. All right, so this candle's not going to be confirmation for downside, because we did not get it came into contact with the trend line. So it's going to be at least another 15 minutes after this candle. Oh, Microsoft came up a little bit. Nothing crazy, but it's trying. Nah, I'm not grabbing anything on UNH unless it's below 200. There are like so many stocks that it's like, if I missed the boat on UNH, I missed the boat. But it's like, I can only buy at levels that are like undeniably good for me. I want to say, I don't know, I made money on it on Friday, but I just it just has to be too good where I can't resist if I'm gonna trade it. But I do feel like UNH can sell off more. Didn't even really push up that hard for all that hype. 44th like. Appreciate you, M. Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, we got a lot of lurkers on here. We got a lot of lurkers. All right, look at us trying to push on this by. Hey, family, be sure to come through, smash the like button. I'm gonna have to show y'all. I'm gonna have to show y'all. I feel like we got a lot of people who don't know about El Salvador. I'm gonna have to finish this little rap thing and show y'all what's up. Show y'all what happens if we don't hit the likes on the stream. And let y'all know it's not pretty. It is not pretty. What's up, Lucky J? I appreciate the likes. I'm just trying to eat this food real quick. But yeah, I'm gonna have to show y'all Secot. Secot. It ain't nice. Be right back. All right, it's Secot time. Okay. I just smashed my pinky. All right, give me the rundown on El Salvador. El Salvador. All right. So, if we don't get the likes, if we don't, wait, hold up. I'm just getting in and working from home. What you got going on? How long you been on today? So the stream says I've been on for 54 minutes. And I currently have a call on Microsoft that expires on the 29th of August. It's a 5:25. And I have a spy call that expires tomorrow. I think it's a 6:43. We'll see about that spy call, but we'll see. Bear flag on the 5. Nah, it has to be big for me. This last little range right here is too small. I need like a push for me to call something a flag. Potentially. But yeah. So give me the rundown on El Salvador. I never heard the meaning behind this. So El Salvador. All right. Pretty much home to one of the most, or if not the most notorious prison in the world. All right, so thing is, the conditions in El Salvador highly unfavorable. Once you go in, you never come out. And it's like if we don't hit our like count, that's what happens to the channel. Let me show you. Let me pull it up. Okay. Show you the prison. All right. A quick Google search of Secot, El Salvador. Here, let's do a little zoomy. That's not that bad. Let's see. All right, right here you can see some of the inmates pictured, and yeah, those are the inmates. It's like they go in, no family visitation. Honestly, they don't even know their names. Let me see if I can show y'all a prison cell. All right, so right here are the beds. You get about, I think, 6 square feet per each of you. Each cell holds about 160 people to a cell. There are like 2 toilets per cell, so you got 100 and actually right now it's like about 80 people. You got like 80 people sharing 2 toilets, and you're going in front of those people. And here, let's see. Bro, these are the inmates. These are the conditions. It's just like that. There's no cell signal. No, it's just bad. I'm still pretty new to options trading. Most of the time I trade penny stocks during pre and post market hours when it comes to options. What kind of stocks should I be looking into? Popular stocks, like just something that has good volume. So I would, once again, I like to just point to this playlist that I have.
In this video,
Like this
I'm going to show you everything that
I kind of go over all that stuff. I'm not always in the headspace to go over like what kind of stocks to trade, but that link I sent will take you to this video. Then I think there's even a point in here where I talk about what kind of stocks to trade. Good stocks to trade. So I think I got like some SPY derivatives and whatnot in there. Yeah, make sure we're hitting that like button. Oh yeah. Hey, yeah, smash that like. Good morning, April. Day has been down so far. I wonder if we are on them. Could happen. We got the Fed minutes tomorrow, but we'll see. Won't fully know till we know. So we're currently below this trend line. But yeah, just the way I trade, there would be a little lag provided. So one other thing, we could probably watch out for this 639 area too. There's a 48 EMA on the 4-hour. That could be another area we find some support. Funny story, I picked a random stock on Robinhood for a call on the watch list and it's up. NXT. Let's see. Why is this a random stock? That's weird. Up 22.37. Hey, good stuff. Must be riding some puts, DJ Vinny. He said, dang, brother, don't drop the soap. Smash those like. He said, don't drop the soap. Nah, yeah, I got my soap on a rope. Yeah, can't drop the soap. No, sir. Welcome, Mr. Balsam. Spy breaking support. I still need confirmation. Just because of how Spy's been acting, every time it's kind of done something like this in the past, like if I haven't waited for complete support, it's just like reversed and kind of gone on me. So I choose to take the slower approach. Just to know I did what I could. And it just didn't work out my way. But I'm like until fully shown otherwise, I still think we're reversing to the upside. Because that's what the market has shown me. Just to share with y'all, I got like a little crisp apple Olipop. Not sponsored. Welcome to the family, Mr. Balsam. Alright, D-Scurv NXT is on a growth list of stocks 2 billion. Olipop Cherry Cola is number 1. I got one of the cola flavors in the fridge, but it just depends on the day for me. I don't have like a favorite one. A lot of them smack, honestly. Oh, hold up. Nvidia's out of its range. And it's before its earnings. I feel like there are a lot of people when Nvidia was in this range that asked me if they should buy calls on Nvidia. I'm like, yo, hold up. There you go. Poppy is good too. I feel like some of the poppy flavors are good, but like I've also had some where it's like, But I feel like every Olipop I've had is good. What do you think of SMCI to the upside from here? What time frame are we looking at, Amal? Like, are we looking on the day, the week, month? Because on the day, it looks like it might be looking to potentially make a higher high, potentially. Like, it looks like it may have, like, we got a little double bottom here. Like, I'm of a belief that most things are about to try to push higher. Nvidia just the drop before the rocket ship? Hey, potentially. Yeah, it's like, this could be the opportunity to grab it. You said D-Scurv hopefully here in the next few minutes. Are you talking about Nvidia, Philip? I need SPY to move up. I think the SPY is going to wait till people lose hope, and then it's like, okay, let's move up. Oh, I was gonna look at data on Moomoo. Let's see. Actually, not even that many puts in on SPY. The ratio is like pretty even. It's not even that bad. SPY trying to come down some more. We got about 5 minutes left on this candle, and this could be the first confirmation candle on the SPY. Should it stay down here? Well, lost that one. That pushed me out. Oh, did it like hit you with the stop? Yeah, they may be trying to bring it down. So that Microsoft still holding up. It's chill. Hit the stop. $36. Oh yeah, it's coming down. All right, so next, let's see how fast it happens, because there is I think at about 4:39. Yeah, we got this 48 EMA. I might try to get like a cheap 0 DT on the SPY. SPY 622. Oh, you gotta put like a date when you're calling levels like that. That's what's up. Let's go. Yeah, SPY trying to break out here. Overall trend on the day, yeah. I'll say on the 4-hour, we're still in an uptrend. Just moving on down. $15-minute. Oh, are you talking about orb? Are you trading orb? You said 21 days till expiration. Yeah, y'all, I'm on slower charts. What do you think about a quick put to ease the pain? I think to me, like my next kind of target area would be 639. So for me, it would be tough to chase. Like if you want to, that's on you, but for me, it's like this is part of it. Like I'm not trying to throw in a bunch of stuff to do what I would see to be overtrading, but if that's what you call for, that's what you call for. I kind of got to stick to my guns. Because I know when I start trying to do too much, I start losing too much. And if I were to, oh, this is something the market does. If I were to, I will say though, that was a confirmation candle on the 15. So that's actually confirmation for downside. But one thing I would like to look for is like at least a retest of this 13 EMA on the 5. If I were trying to grab a put, just so I can get a better entry. But we did just confirm to the downside on the 15, so that would be grounds to grab puts. Three red candles on the 30. Oh, really? That it is. That it is. Kind of. Just need to wait a little bit later. Nice job. Still working on the last 30-minute candle on SPY. Yeah, we still got 12 minutes. You hold on the 4 hour. Or go back to the 4 hour. I just got an alert on Robinhood. Hold up. Man. Should have just stayed in that trade from yesterday. Got on that, man. Let's see what else. OpenAI launches cheapest Chat GPT plan starting at $4.06 in India, or 60 cents. Let's see. Get a quick look at CoreWeave. Okay, it's down to $89. See what else. Oh, I remember somebody talking about Walmart going to like 110 or something. Let me check in on Walmart. I was just trying to make sure they didn't know anything. Oh, Pfizer's kind of holding up. Check something. Come in and look at SPY on the 5. A little kick there off the bottom, just a little bit, small one. All right, let's see. Slide this over here. All right, let's see. AMD still tanking. Yeah, I think AMD was, I think around like 165 is kind of, actually, no, it's around like 163 now. But yeah, there's this little intersection on AMD in this area. Gets around like 163. Seems like a really good grab. Nvidia now joining AMD on the downside too. Oh, did it speed up? Let's see. Nvidia's down 2.86. Oh, no, it's not. I don't think Nvidia is catching AMD. They're just trying to give us a good sale price right now. Let's see. Concerns arise over U.S. export limits on NVIDIA GPUs with analysts questioning tech policy. Let's see. ARM is changing its focus from chip IP to full chip design, potentially impacting competitive scene. Here, let's see. Yes, good pricing. Only thing I'll say about that is I feel like the options are probably going to be more expensive still as it gets closer, just because of the IV. So maybe good for averaging in the shares. SPY retest. SPY retest of. Are you talking about a 13? What kind of retest are you looking for? Let's see if we got a trend line today. Retest of the bottom. Today's bottom? Because it's still going for it. Yeah, it's like I thought the bottom end was in over here. Right now it's still creating bottoms. SPY needs to get back to 640 on the 30-minute. Hey, there's no slowing it down. You just gotta wait, because the 30-minute, now that I'm looking at it, the volume is actually going up on the 30-minute to the downside. good because I'm looking for a 0 DT as well as the lower the better. Capital is low. I'm looking for a deal. Not looking too hard, but still scanning. Nvidia, or not Nvidia, Google, they're down like 3 on the day, but they're pretty much at all-time highs. Dang, I completely missed SoFi today. SoFi got a nice little sell-off right here. They hit the double top. They made no, they didn't make a high, but yeah, they hit a nice little sell-off on this double top up here. Henry, yo, what's up? Double bottom spy on the 1-minute chart. Oh, I see what you mean. What do you think is the best ETF to buy on the dip right now? So when it comes to like ETFs, I wouldn't really call any of these dips. Like I would call this just I don't even know. I wouldn't call this a dip though. It's like I guess it's a dip on the like week, but as of right now, they're still like everything is kind of elevated, still like close to all-time highs. Like this pullback is just, it seems like it's something on the day, but it's not really anything crazy. Not as of yet. But right now, I think the one that will yield the best over the next couple years, IWM. It's been held back the most, but Like if you're dollar cost averaging, I personally like VOO, but I also think IWM is like a really good one for now. All the small caps, I think, like once they start cutting rates, we'll see some lift off. They kind of have the most room to run, and I feel like we actually recently just got a reset with a lot of them that like kind of pulled back more. Oh, Vinny said the same thing. IWM for rate cuts. Yeah, IWM it kind of looks the best in my opinion. They've been at the oh, they've kind of been in the same range since 2020, I believe. Let's see. All right, so 2024 they reached like 42. November 2021 they were at like 130. So they pretty much haven't really done anything. They had this last run in like 2020 they really ran. But yeah, that's kind of it. Yeah, SPY doesn't. Yeah, SPY is at that they're at that 4-hour EMA now. Started watching SPMO if you haven't. I don't even know what that is. Let me see. Let me unplug my mouse real quick. It's been charging. SPMO. It's a momentum ETF. Interesting. I don't know how a momentum ETF works. Holds 100 securities from the S&P 500 that have the highest momentum scores. The momentum score is based on 12-month percentage change. Adjusting for volatility in this manner tilts the fund towards stocks that have experienced a relatively smooth increase in price. Okay. Interesting. Can you make a call to Elon and tell him to quit playing? Hey, that's all he does. It's like I could make a call to him, but that's on him to listen. You know he don't like to listen. Yeah, I'm sleepy. Okay, let's see. Yes, IWM and small mid caps will perform the best with rate cuts. Yeah, it'll be nice if we actually ever get one. I know we're supposed to like next month, but hey, let's do a quick right here. Oh, that's not what I'm trying to do. All right, let's see. So yeah, we're pricing in. It looks like a 25. Wait, hold up. Yeah, quarter points rate cut for next month is what we're pricing in. DJ Vinny, you said, look what's in it. I thought about SPMO. Is that a good one? Play during their earnings when they have momentum. What volume indicator? Oh, the volume is just vol, like VOL or volume. So on indicators on TradingView, it's just volume. The one that just says volume, like right there. It's gonna pop up on your chart like that. If you want it to be somewhere else, I think you can kind of click on it and you would do, where is it? Oh, you can right click on it and click move to. If you click move to either new pane below or existing pane below, that's how you get it to look like mine. That's I have my RSI and my volume down low. That's why that looks like that. Can someone explain why I'm in red all around today? Seems like some sort of sector rotation. Money is being moved around. So the stuff I noticed on my list doing well today, I see Coke, Uber, eBay, Exxon, Walmart, and Pfizer. So it's like if we look at the Dow today, I think the Dow is actually holding up all right, but everything else is kind of trash. Hold on, Don't look now, Palantir 158 and still dropping. It hit it today. Oh wait, hold up. Wow. That's crazy. All right, so yeah. Wow. That's wild. Let's see. Let me real quick. Where's their demand? You can draw demand on this real quick. Let me also draw this liquidity. All right, so that's demand and liquidity. I'm just gonna mark the liquidity. If they come to that, I'm gonna get some real cheap and just hope for some upside. But that's crazy. That is crazy. All right, let's see. feel so sleepy. I think I just kind of ate trash today. All right. Wait. Okay. I'm never messing with Tesla ever again, and into my options. My welcome into options is 300 down at least. I didn't get beginner's luck, so the grind. Yeah. So I would say like starting out. Um, I think the next thing to do would be maybe pump the brakes and slow it down, cause it's like momentum, momentum. It's a lot in options, so it's like whenever you're on a streak of losing, that can continue on. Whenever you're on a streak of winning, that can continue on as well. So a lot of times, whenever like if you take a L, yo, give it. You don't need to give it like a bunch of days, but sometimes it's like, yo, maybe I'm done for the day. If it's something you do regularly, if maybe newer, maybe take a day off, maybe you can like watch, but you gotta form that discipline. Like I would also like ask like, yo, what do you do for discipline outside of trading? I noticed the more disciplined I am in life, the better my trading is. The more disciplined I am in trades, the more better I follow what I actually say I'm going to do. Because one thing you'll find is when it comes to trading, you might say, oh, if it comes here, I'm going to do this. But then it'll get there and you're like, nah, this is going to happen. And then you're like, oh man, I should have just stuck to what I was said I was going to do. So discipline is like a big part of trading. Here, let's see. Almost 9% down. Hey, that's yeah, 8.94 Palantir is doing his thing to the downside. DJ Vinny, I started following you at. Hey, welcome to the family, DJ Vinny. What's up, man? Let's see. Buy bouncing on 15. It's getting to the other side. I'm not going to say bouncing, but it can start moving up if it wants to get to the other side of this trend line. If it wants to confirm, it does look like we got like a solid wick on this 15 right here, but we're still pushing down. We also got a solid wick over here and then push down more, so we'll have to see. Jeremy is going to be gloating about his pound. Oh. Hey, we'll see. Yeah, he probably will. That's funny. I'd love to see what his eyes are drawn to today. What's your schedule on YouTube? So I stream every day from like 10:30 Central to 1 p.m. Central. Monday through Friday. I think next week though, I'm going to Vegas on Friday. And I think I'm gonna be there till like Tuesday, so that'll probably mess with this stream a little bit, but we'll see. TSLL is best for options same day. Buy near the money or greater delta. Is SoFi ready to enter? When is the best time to enter? Oh, I do see a demand zone down here, as well as the trend line right here. So, did they already? Oh, so if you're gonna play to the upside, I would probably say at the touch of the trend line. EA moving. Let's see what EA moving looks like. Hold up, wrong spot. All right, some good movement today. From open, they've kind of caught it about $3. Good, nice, slow, consistent movement. Palantir down 13.4 on the week. Hey, that's nice right there. Let them go 20. Hey, DJ Vinny, you're very welcome. Say hi to Jeremy in Las Vegas. Lost Wages, aka Las Vegas. Hey, if I see him, I'll say what's up. Low key, I think I have like some old DMs from him. Let me see. I feel like I got like some messages from like from like 2019. That's like when I first started investing. And like mid 2020, that's crazy. I used to like message back and stuff. Even got like some spelling errors. Sending like double messages. That's crazy to think, honestly. Because I just like watch him now. Here, let's see. Where was I gonna say? Okay, do you know why the IV is so high on Palantir? So the IV is going to be high because the expected move is high. So implied volatility, like because Palantir has moved so much, that's going to increase the implied volatility. It's like if it just trades in a range like this, like Palantir or like Nvidia did for all this time, then it would be nice and low for you. But like if it's gonna, whenever it goes on like a solid like run movement like this, the IV is gonna increase and the contracts are gonna get more expensive closer to the money. And like even outside of the money, they might hold their value better because the chances of a move are higher. If you go to Bros or Kava, you might run into potentially. Did he say he goes to Bros? I know he talks about it. But hey, we'll see. My wife, we definitely like to go, or she likes to go to Dutch Bros, and then we both mess with Kava. Spy cup and handle on the 1 minute. cup and handle. Break and retest. See, we're starting to... Buyers starting to step in. Down below 39.40 or so. Man, if would have stayed in that, hey, right? At least you got more than me. That Robinhood, where is it at right now? I just wanted to ride to my target. I didn't even go there. Honestly, I probably wouldn't have made it this far on Robinhood. But I think on the day, with what I'm in, I still think we have a nasty recovery. But I'm down like 103 on the day right now. But I'm also still chilling. I think Microsoft has gone up in wait, what price is it at? I'm up. Oh, okay. I'm up a couple dollars or like $4 on that Microsoft call. But it's actually gone up since I've bought it, so that makes sense. I thought it was the IV. Is SPY trying to come back up? Yeah, so like the trend line is on the other side of the trend line. We haven't got confirmation, but it looks like it's starting to. Ooh, we can turn off the ads now. Let's see. All right. Oh, I see 69 likes. There we go. He said, or Flower Child. Flower Child's good. Like they have like their cookies. Bro, their cookies are good, bro. Hey, what's up, Ubaka? So no, I don't have any REITs that I'm investing in. There was a point in time when I was about the dividends and trying to get that, but like with the amount of money I have right now, it's like let me stick with the growth for now. The growth can turn into dividends in the future, but until I have like a large lump sum of money, it doesn't make sense to me to even try to have dividends. It's like I do enjoy royalties and whatnot, but it's not gonna. It doesn't really work with me getting paid dividends because it's not much. All right, Lucky J. I appreciate that. Lucky J. Don't know if you have Cup Bop in Dallas. Cup Bop. I'm gonna have to look up said Cup Bop. Let's see. Buffet style. Let's look for some. Oh, so it's in Utah, Idaho, Arizona, Colorado, Nevada, Oklahoma, and Texas. So it's in 2 different states I've lived in. Here, let's see. They look like they're all over the place in Utah. Can we get to Texas? Oh, they're in Texas, but not in... Yeah, they're nowhere near me. There's only 3 of them in Texas. And 2 of them are in El Paso. All right, SPY's trying. Let's see. Possibly the first time. Here, let's see. So Hood, like where is it? So yeah, Hood's like on the other end of that range, so it could be. It's also at an area of support and I'm not sure I would call this the demand zone, but it's at an area of support and like looking at the trend line, as of right now, it still looks like it's holding up. So it does look like it. You could go for calls on it. That's very annoying that I got by this right here. Let me take a note of it. What happened? Because I feel like this exact same thing happens to me with these 4 hours. So yesterday, this was the closing candle. No, that wasn't even the closing candle. This was the closing candle right here. All right. So we had one come up, close, open, we pushed up. Okay, so if we were to remove the after hours, so this, no, that's starting after hours, so these candles wouldn't be here. Okay, so without these two candles, we had one up and one, okay. All right. Understandable. Noted for next time. Okay. And I wasn't even like, honestly, I wasn't even like over leveraged in Robinhood. I was just like, okay, looks like I'm taking the L. I did note that there was this liquidity here yesterday too. I forgot to like look back on the higher time frame. That's a little annoying because that's exactly what happened. We came, swept this liquidity on the 4 hour, and then we pushed down. Now I thought about it, and we actually went to the end of range. Wow. Hindsight is 2020. It's crazy. Kind of annoying. Wild. Okay. But yeah, D curve, doesn't look bad to me. My indicator has curling up. Careful on SPY. DJ Vinny, what do you mean by that? When you say your indicator, like what do you mean by curling up? Here, let's see. If SoFi goes to 2250, would that be a good? You said months out? Honestly, I have no idea about months on SoFi. It's like if I were playing SoFi, it's just like, okay, we have this trend line here. And it's like, oh, if it's time to take an entry, this is what I do. It's like, oh, say I take an entry here. I come, say I target the high. I just pull out. So it's like if this trend line is going to persist, and if I were targeting this high, it looks like that would need to occur it would need to happen by the 5th of September. So it's like, might even be able to get like a month on that. But that just ultimately comes down to you. It just depends on what you target. But also, like, should you confirm below here, you also need to be willing to like take a loss as well, because say you like confirm below, it's like just because you got extra time, if it comes below and it breaks the trend, then the trade is like no longer valid. Let's see. Interest is for me, money is money. That is true. Money is money, but for me, it's like I have to factor in like opportunity costs, and it's like if I pay $30 for a stock, that's gonna pay me out like $2 a year, whereas I can buy a $30 stock that is going to be worth $50 by the end of the year. I would rather have the $30 stock that's going to be worth 50 by the end of the year, as opposed to the $30 stock that's going to pay me $2 potentially. Like, say it pays me $2 every year for the rest of my life. I would still rather get in on that 30 to 50 and try to do that enough times till I get to a point where it's like, okay, yeah, I've got enough. Let me put that into the 30 that's going to pay me 20 or $2 every year of my life. It's like I gotta kind of get to a minimum threshold first. Cup bop is Korean barbecue bowls. Okay, I mean we got these little 99 ranch markets out here. I got one like 20 minutes away from my house. That's like what is it? It's kind of these. It's not just Korean, but it's like these Asian kind of areas where they have lots of Asian food. It's kind of it's a nice spot. Let's see. I'll start top of the morning. RSI is oversold territory for Hood. 2 on the 1 hour. Hey, I like it. I like it more on the 4 hour, but hey, it's something. Mag 7 discount today. Hey, for real. Wait, where's Meta? So I like Meta at like 145 because there is some liquidity I've been like targeting there for the longest. I think that's when Meta kind of goes next leg. Here, let me clear these. But yeah, I like this liquidity here, I think. But there's also the chance that it can be like, oh yeah, let's actually wait till we get down here to take off again. I would like that as well. That's kind of the position Microsoft's in. Microsoft's moving up a little bit. Let's see. Up $10 on the Microsoft now. It's a decent ways away from the money, but I think it has some potential. Because let me show y'all what we saw on Microsoft. So Microsoft, I think somebody asked about it yesterday. Microsoft like blasted off. They asked yesterday if it would be a good call. And I think from yesterday, Microsoft slid. I said I would like Microsoft at the bottom of this demand zone where there's this liquidity. We came to that today. I think almost like right at open. Not right at open. No, I think it was a little before the stream. And yeah, just happened to take a call from it. Got like a couple weeks. I think I could ride it to the money. Yeah. Sold that hood play too early. I sold that hood play too early. Like I took a loss on it. I could have at least like broke even, but no, yeah, I sold way too early. What is that called when you see the 2-to-1? This is the profit and loss tool, I believe. Oh no, the long or short position tool. Yeah, so I think they have it on Webull and they have it here as well. If you watch my Webull tutorial video, I think it's in there. It's been a few weeks since I made it though, so I don't remember. Oh, somebody got a little puppy. Wish it would go to 145. Are we talking about Robinhood or are we talking about Palantir? Oh yeah, Palantir at 145. That's money. But Palantir is they're oversold on the 4 hour. YPS peeking its nose out. I'm about to snipe if it holds this. What is YPS? Oh, let me get rid of this on SoFi before I actually think I have a trade in there. Okay. All right, I don't know what that is. Palantir shares plunged 8%, sharply reversing recent momentum after Citron Research issued bearish commentary on the stock. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, I feel like my brain's not processing quite up to speed, but I got you. All right, this candle right here, this one would be the confirmation trend wise on the 15. Like I want y'all to realize the day is still young. It's like just because I'm off stream doesn't mean things can't end up dramatically different, or that we can end up dramatically lower as well. I also see some YPS calls. All right, see you, bread guy. D-Skirt. Pick up your car from the shop. Hey, have fun with that. Hopefully your car's all in one piece. Stay blessed. Could I explain VXX? Are you talking about the VIX? Or is that actually Are you talking about VIX or VXX? I mean, they both look. I think they're both tracking the same thing. But all I can really say is these kind of track the volatility, or these are what's known as the fear index. So usually, the more the market sells off, or the more fear is in the markets, the higher that's going to go. That's all I can really say about it. Usually the lower those are, the better. Or like the more positivity. Honestly, I this is the first I've actually seen VXX. It just looks like a ETF for for the VIX. Just looks like another way to trade it. Yeah, I don't really have much to say beyond that. Because I think if you look up, I think if you try to look it up on Robinhood, let's see. Oh, I guess you can now. Yeah, I guess you can see the VIX on Robinhood. There used to be a point in time you couldn't. Robinhood's becoming more and more sophisticated. Very welcome, Mahishu. The advantage about that VIX volatility index being high is that the options contracts. Okay, hey, looks like we got an answer from Jorman. The options contracts pay more. On the downside, it goes against you. If it goes against you, it takes more value quickly. Oh, there you go, Mahishu. Maybe a little more clarity. Robinhood Legends getting better too. You look at it over here off to the side. Okay, there's one. Trying to see if I can. I'm currently in here trying to. Let's see, chart, watch list. So account summary. Okay, we can do that. What else? Recent orders, positions, options chain, snapshot. What's a snapshot? Oh, okay. Indicators, candles, comparisons. looking at their tools right now. Date and what is this? Okay. Annotations. No, they still don't have it yet. I feel like it's a little better than I might remember. Feel like it's a little better. They can keep at it. Still can't change the color of my candles as far as I know, but it's cool. Usually considers high risk above. Yes, the VIX. Yeah, above that's elevated. Legends all I use. Absolutely love the interface. Hey, glad you love it. If you love what you're using, that's all that matters, honestly. They added level 2. That's good too. I don't really use level 2 when I'm like trading options, but it's good to see. Alright, so the SPY, let me look at give y'all a check in on my trades. So the SPY, yeah, that's down like 50%. And then the Microsoft, that's up like 7. But spent more on the Microsoft. So got some potential. Oh yeah. No doubt. Like if you're, yeah, it would make sense for this paid service to cost more, but or to be better, but still chill. Now, let me check the weather in Texas, or check the weather outside. I haven't been outside all day. Oh, it's like 96 degrees. I think I'm about to have a little pool workout. I'm just trying to like mentally prepare myself a little bit before I get this work in. All right, let's see what I see on a higher time frame on the SPY as we come to. Okay, we still got 2 hours left on this candle. Yeah, I guess we'll see at the end of the day what this looks like. If we can somehow end up above this, and also, yeah, if we close above like 640, like 41 or anything like that, then that's cool. If not, we might still be coming down. Just wondering if you could double check on Tesla. What time frame are you looking at Tesla on? $5 minute. I'm not so sure about that. Just because this is like so much lower than this over here. So I would say one thing like over here, maybe, but like this side is like the cup is kind of lopsided, so it just seems like it's coming down right now. But I'm not like that's not really something I look for commonly, the cup and handle. So I can't fully say, but this doesn't look like it to me. It's like maybe if this side were lower. But I think with that being said, I think we're going to start wrapping it up here. I feel like very tired. I feel like I need a nap, but I'm not going to take a nap. I need to like go work out or something. So yeah, I'd like to take this time to say thank you. Oh, there goes. Hey, Tesla trying to push a little bit on the 5. Thank you, each and every one of you, for stopping by, watching the stream, smashing the like button, hey, coming through, and not being a lurker, coming through and doing the thing. AB just found you yesterday, took the hood put, woke up. Hey, good stuff. Very welcome. If only I benefited like that. Brandon, very welcome. Mahishu, very welcome. But yeah, appreciate y'all stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Bread Guy. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Jorman. Peace out, Cryptoptimist. Peace out, Shot at FPS. Peace out, Devin. Peace out, AB. Peace out, Brandon. Peace out, Kong. Peace out, XO Cole. Peace out, Randy. Peace out, Anella. Peace out, Big Time. Yo, if I miss your name, it's not because I don't love you. It's just because I missed it. But yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Y'all stay blessed. I'm gonna try to get my energy up now. Catch y'all.